Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can thaw yourself out in the Dress to Impress Winter Quest obby. So someone did ask me how to do this, so I'm just going to freeze myself right about now. You're going to basically have the yellow line in the green area like so to thaw yourself out like this until the temperatures reach normal again. So here I'm just going to do it again for the second time. Okay, don't do that. Put it in the green area. Pause it, stop it in the green area so that you'll be thawed from the obby. And that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. There are checkpoints to this game, like the circles there. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!